I ordered this tire iron set irons changing toolkit, 16-inch long. I ordered them from Amazon this morning around 11 a.m. and then they came in today around 6 p.m. this afternoon. I paid like $18 for them. I got them to replace the tire on my Kawasaki KLR 250 1997. I'm gonna replace the tire. I bought 2 new tires for the motorcycle for my project, and this is what I'm gonna be using. It's three of them, 16-inch long. From Amazon. I pay $18. So I'm gonna see how they work when replacing my tire. I might post a video changing the tire. Thank you.